Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this brushed nickel crystal chandelier. So this is going to be a 1 month review video. So let's get into it and let me show you how the product looks. So you can see that you just install this on your ceiling. Installation is very easy. And then this is how the chandelier looks. It has the crystals in the middle. These are the light bulbs that I installed on here. They do not come with light bulbs. So that I like the brushed nickel color to it. The chandelier looks minimalistic yet elegant at the same time, and then the crystal goes all around the whole chandelier. So it makes any dining room or area that you put this in look elegant and minimalistic at the same time. This is how it looks with the light on. It brights up all the crystals on the inside, and the crystals give it like a little shine to it. This also gives enough light for your dining room table. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great brushed nickel chandelier. I like how the color looks and how elegant this makes any dining room look. I like how easy it is to install, and I like how it has the crystals throughout the whole chandelier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.